Hi everyone, and welcome to this month's Beauty Thought by Kerry Cat. Beauty Thoughts are a project I decided to do where I put out a different thought for every season and holiday that's inspiring and uplifting and hopeful. The beauty industry is huge and it affects us all, but it's important to remember that the most beauty comes from inside of us, in Mother Nature, and from a higher source. Today, I found a wonderful quote by a Buddhist monk named Thich. He's so inspirational and he's written many books. I hope I'm saying the name right. If I'm not, please correct me. His quote is, "As long as we are alive, anything is possible." Wow, that's so amazing and so true. As long as we are alive, anything is possible. Anything. Sustainability, peace on earth, dreams coming true, loves reunited. Think about something that you want to come true this season, this fall. It's a wonderful time to think about changes that are positive and beautiful. The leaves change, the sun gets deeper and warmer, the air becomes crisp. It's a beautiful season of abundance and harvest. I hope that all of your dreams come true this fall. And I hope that whatever you want comes to you easily and joyfully. Thank you for joining me today on this Beauty Thought. Just to let you know that this Beauty Thoughts hat is made out of a recycled Starbucks container and various items that will be repurposed into a wreath for my front door. I hope everyone out there is doing well, and I hope you all know that you are so beautiful, not just outside, but inside too. And remember, anything is possible. See you in the next video.